Yeah. So in this worksheet, students, what we have to do, we have to circle the vowel letter. Yesterday we learned vowel letters, no? What are the 5 vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. Repeat with me, everyone. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So these 5 vowel letters we have to search and we have to circle. We have to circle. Okay. So for example, students, here W. W is a vowel letter? No. I. Yes. I is a vowel letter. So we have to circle I. Then E. E is again a vowel letter. So again we have to circle E. Okay, now look at the picture here, students. Now here, A is a vowel letter? Yeah, so we have to circle that. Now, next is B. B is a vowel letter? No, so we don't have to circle B. O? Yes, O is a vowel letter, so we have to circle O. Now, next is I. I is again a vowel letter, so we have to circle I. E. E is also a vowel letter. A. A is again a vowel letter, so we have to circle A. E. E is again a vowel letter, we have to circle E. U. U is again a vowel letter, we have to circle U. Okay, now here also U, no students? So U is again a vowel letter, so we have to circle U. I. I is a vowel letter, so we have to circle I. A. A is a vowel letter, so we have to circle A. Okay, students. So like this, you have to circle the vowel letters. Okay. So for that, students, how you will remember the vowel letters? You have to write the vowel letters in your notebook. Okay, like A, E, I, O, U. So these 5 vowel letters only we have to circle. Okay. Now let's move to next part, students. So in the next part, students, we have to circle the vowel letters. Okay. Now here is A, so we have to circle A. H. H is a vowel letter? No, so we don't have to circle H. N? No, N is also not vowel letter. C? No. I? Yes, I is a vowel letter, so we have to circle I. L? No, L is not a vowel letter. V? No. P? No. T? No. A? Yes, A is a vowel letter, no? So we have to circle A. E? E is again a vowel letter, so we have to circle E. X? No. F? No. U? Yes, we have to circle U. R? No. O? Yes, O. We have to circle O. S? No. J? No. Z? No. H? No. Okay. Only vowel letters, students. Only vowel letters. So vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. So remember, students, A, E, I, O, U. So all these 5 vowel letters only you have to identify. Okay, now let's match the picture with the vowel. The first picture is pot. Pot. So see students, pot has 3 letters in it. Okay. P O T. Pot. So in this pot, students, which is the vowel letter? Which is the vowel letter? O. Very good. So we have to match pot with O. So let's match. Students, please don't write the screen. I have to tell again and again. Please don't write. Yeah, Satvik, if you write means students, I will remove. Whoever write now, I will remove that child. Yeah. Now, next is students, egg. Next picture is egg. So let's write first the spelling of egg. E-G-G, egg. Now we have to identify. So we have to identify vowel letter here. That is E. That is E, student. So let's match it with E. Egg with E. Satvik, just now I said you, please don't write on my screen. And this is the last warning, Satvik. If you write means I will remove you. Ali Khan also. Now, this is pin. This is pin, students. So first, what we have to do, we have to write the spelling of pin. So let's write pin, P-I-N. Pin. Okay. So now in this pin, students, which is the vowel letter? I. I is a vowel letter, no? So we have to match with I. Now next is gun. Next is gun. So let's write gun. G-U-N. Gun. G-U-N. Gun. So we just, what is the vowel letter? U. U is the vowel letter. So we have to write U here. U. Now next is cap. Next is cap. Next is cap, students. Okay. So for example, C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. So in this word, which is the vowel letter? A. A is the vowel letter, no? So we have to match cap with A. See, that's all. Okay. So like this, students, in this worksheet, you have to focus on vowels only. Okay. Now, let's write F for fruits in the space. F for fruits. F for fruits. So we have to search where is food, where are fruits, where are fruits. Here, raspberry. Raspberry is a fruit, no? Yeah, so we have to write F here. We have to write F here. Okay. Now, next is pumpkin. Pumpkin is a fruit? No. So, pumpkin is a vegetable. Pumpkin is a vegetable. So, we don't have to write F here. Papaya. Papaya is a fruit, no? So, we have to write F here. Okay. Now, apple. Apple. Apple is a fruit. Yeah. So, we have to write F. Again, we have to write F. Okay. Mango. Mango is a fruit. Yeah. So we have to write F here. We have to write F here. Okay, now flower. Flower is a fruit. Do you think flower is a fruit? No, so we don't have to write that here. Mushroom. Mushroom is a fruit? No. Orange? Yes, so we have to write F here. We have to write F here. Okay. Now you have to color this mango. So you know, students, mango is in which color? Yellow color. So you have to fill this with yellow color. Okay. And leaf with green color. Leaf with green color. Okay, students. And you have to record an audio saying the name of 5 favorite fruits. Your favorite 5 fruits name you have to record and share with us. Okay. So for example, if my favorite fruit, so I will record like my favorite fruits are apple, mango, papaya, strawberry, and pineapple. Okay, so like this, students, you just have to record an audio and share in the WhatsApp group. Okay, here you have to identify fruits only, students. You have to identify fruits and you have to color this mango also. Oops. Mango is in yellow color. Okay, now let's move to next worksheet. Yeah. So in this worksheet, students, here is heart, star, heart, then again star, again stars. Wait, I will draw it neatly. And one more heart. Actually, these are 2 dashes. Okay. Now, students, now next is 2 circles, 1 square, again 2 circles, then 1 square, then again 2 circles. Okay. Now, next is triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, again rectangle. After the rectangle, square, again square. Now 2 circles are here, then 2 triangles, then again 2 circles and 2 triangles. Okay. Now here triangle, stars, 2 stars, 1 triangle, 2 stars, 1 triangle, 2 stars, again 1 triangle. Okay. Now next is arrow right side, then 2 arrows down, then again arrow right side, then 2 arrows down, 2 arrows down. Okay, so like this, students, you have to complete this worksheet. Okay.
Yeah. So if you don't have any doubt, students, let me end this class here only. Take care of your health, stay home and be safe. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Bye everyone. Take care of your health, stay home and be safe.